This tutorial explains how to use Server Manager to control and configure which health checks run on various servers running JD Edwards Enterprise 1. As of Tools Release 9.2.6, this enhancement provides you with the flexibility to override default values that may be taking longer than desired to execute due to a high volume of business data in your environment. For HTML and AIS servers, an administrator can dynamically specify the interactive application to run as part of executing the health check through Server Manager and Server Manager APIs. Likewise, an administrator can dynamically specify the UBE and version on an HTML web server, an AIS server, as well as an enterprise server to run as part of executing the health check through Server Manager and Server Manager APIs. To begin to configure health checks for your servers, log into your Server Manager console as administrator. It is important to note that if you do not log in as administrator, you will not be able to configure health checks. Click on the instance name for your Enterprise 1 HTML server or AIS server. In the left panel, scroll down to the configuration section, and in the view, use the pull down to select Advanced. In the right pane, scroll down to the health check configuration section. Enter any valid UBE name and version that you want to run as part of the health check. Enter any valid interactive application and version that you want to run as part of the health check. Click the Apply button to accept your values. Now, each time the instance is started, the specified UBE is run and the interactive application is tested with applicable database operations. If you want to run a health check on demand, return to the home screen of Server Manager, select the instance that you configured for health checks, and click the Run Health Checks button. For example, if you set values for an HTML web server as shown in this demonstration and click the Run Health Checks button, the system runs the health check and returns results similar to these. If the health check returns errors in the status, you must examine the Server Manager logs to determine the root cause. To configure an enterprise server, select the enterprise server instance from the home screen and use the same navigation to the health check configuration screen. The only difference is that for enterprise server, you can only select a UBE and version. You cannot specify an interactive application because they do not run on enterprise servers. For more information, visit us at learnjde.com. Thanks for watching.